In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Amazon gift card to Amazon Pay balance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Amazon Pay gift card you received or you want to give to someone, redeeming it is extremely simple. So if you have a code and you would like to redeem it into your account, all that you have to do is sign into your account on the website or the mobile app, whatever you prefer. So open Amazon on your PC or laptop or a smartphone. Once you are signed into the account where you will be redeeming the code, what you have to do is click on Amazon Pay. So usually it is going to be at the top over here, Amazon Pay. If you are on the mobile app, it might be on the menu elsewhere, but for PC and laptop, it is at the top. So once you click Amazon Pay, you will be redirected into this page, and if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see your balance. Now, the three options are going to be add money, add gift card, which is what we're looking for, and account settings. So go ahead and click on add gift card. Now you can input the gift card. Sadly, I don't have any gift cards available with me at the moment to redeem, but if you do, you input it here, and if it is valid, the balance is going to appear on your account immediately. So make sure that you go ahead and redeem it through this page. Then the balance will become available and you can use it however you prefer. If you need additional help, you can click on this option, and as you can see, they will describe the gift card code. It is a 14-digit alphanumeric code, so it includes letters and numbers. You should not enter the gift card reference ID in this field. If you experience issues, you can provide the 16-digit numeric reference ID to customer service. So just take all of this into consideration, try to redeem it here. If it doesn't work, then talk to the customer support, and you will be able to redeem the Amazon Pay card into your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Amazon gift card to Amazon Pay balance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.